Hi guys, so today we're reviewing the Gold Poedagar watch. It looked very elegant and smart online. So this is the box for it. That's a nice size watch box. So that's one link remover. It comes with a link remover. The link remover seems pretty sturdy. Seems like a good quality one. That's one cloth. It's one of those cloths that come in your glasses, so you could shine the glass on the watch or shine the links. That's the watch. Nothing else in the box. Just padding and foam. So that's the watch. Came in a clear plastic bag so it could protect the screen. The watch has a good weight to it, has a good feel to it. It looks a lot like the original Rolex watch. Considering the price, it is very affordable. It has those gold Cuban type of links. The watch face is not too big. Looks good on the hand. Let's remove up the wrapper. So I guess this clear plastic came on the watch to protect the links from getting scratched while in transit. So let's remove that. It has a blue plastic on the silver clasp as well. Let's cut that open. Phew, the guys put a lot of plastic on here. They didn't want it to get damaged at all. So I guess that's also a good thing that there is plastic on it. Trying to get all that plastic out. Alright. So that's the watch. As I said, it has the Cuban type of links. It has a good gold color to it. The links are not too shiny. They're just the perfect, looks like the perfect gold color. It has a silver metal clasp. When it closes, you don't see anything. The links close together. That's a nice gold front. Looks elegant, looks expensive. It only shows the date number. That's a silver metal back there. Nothing special about that, just an ordinary cap. Let's try and get it on my hand. Alright, so as you can see, when it's closed, you don't see anything. That's a clear plastic cover for the screen. That has a nice fit to it. It looks quite smart on the hand as well. That has a really good feel to it. Feels quite heavy. Not too light. Well, that closes up nicely there. And that's one good watch.